So if you haven't figured out what we're doing right now, we're fixing a rug binding on a rug. This is the first time I've tried using the Instabind, excuse me, repair binding. So I'm taking my time, kind of working through it, trying to show y'all what it does. But Instabind is a repair binding, or you could use it for new rug binding. But it contains a tape, a carpet tape for 2 inches, and then the binding, and then you hot glue it using latex glue sticks. You hot glue the edge, and that works well. I think it's going to work real well on this style of bound carpet, because there's not a lot of structure there to hold the binding on. So the reason why we got this rug in is it had this regular sewn on binding that just pulls out. I mean, it's really only held along one row of the carpet, so it pulls out really easily. It's not real strong, and you can see it's torn there. It was torn in several places, several large areas, sections of it missing. So I got it up here in order to put this Instabind on. So the first thing I did is I just framed it out real quick with 2x4s. Just keep it nice and square so I can trim straight lines, and then I cut all 4 sides. So I was working with a good, clean, even edge. And then you saw me go around with the scissors to clean that up. And now I'm going around with Instabind. And if you read the directions, it says to put it all the way around the rug and then come back and glue it. But I'm just trying it my own way. I'm just doing small sections, working my way around. And it looks pretty good. I'm impressed with the way the binding looks. And I think it's going to hold up real well. So let me get back to the video and show y'all how it turns out. Here we go. Alright, so I didn't film the whole thing, but my binding is done. Let me show you what it looks like and my thoughts on the product. So overall, I really think it looks good. I think it's going to hold up a lot better than the standard sewn-on binding on this particular style of carpet. And it definitely looks all right. So the back side is taped. So you got about a 2-inch wide carpet tape, and then you hot glue the seam with latex glue, and I think it looks good. So, and then of course where it runs back together, this is the join. So you glue that as well. It's almost not visible. So again, this product's called Instabind. It's the first time I've tried it. I think it worked well. It definitely took me longer, honestly, than I thought it would take me, which is why I didn't film the whole thing. And part of that's probably because I'm still kind of figuring it out too, but it does take a while because you got to glue small sections. You got to glue it and roll it up and hold it until that glue cools off, and then move along like that. So overall, pretty good product. I think it turned out all right. I need to still wash this rug, so we'll see how that holds up while I'm washing, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, here we go.